Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video background to your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video background into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep your website fresh and clean. And by adding a video, you can help add to the aesthetic. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a video background, first you want to choose the correct website. So up here on the top left, once you click on that menu, you can choose the website. Next, you need to jump over to the editor. So here on the left menu, click on website and then edit site. Okay, once you do that, you're going to need to choose the page that you want to add the video background to. So up here on the top left, and choose the page. So I'm going to add it to this page here called Cool Car. Okay, once you do that, Weebly is set up into sections. So when you hover over a section, it's going to turn blue, as you can see here. So this is one section, and then we have another section here. So from what I found, the only thing you can do to add a video background is going to be on the first section, which is called Main Banner. These other sections, you cannot add a video, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. So here on the top section, you just hover over it and then click on it when it turns blue. Once you do that, you'll see this menu pop off here to the left, and just scroll all the way to the top. Once you do that, you're going to see the content. So this is something called Modern Hair. So just click on that. Once you do that, you're going to be able to change the background. So it says image right now of these two people. So we're going to click here and then choose video. Okay, so now the two people have been removed from the background, and we're going to click here, add video. Okay, next I'm going to click here and then grab a video from my desktop. So the cool thing is it's going to be uploaded directly into your Weebly website. Okay, I grabbed a video. It's uploading right now. Okay, it's uploaded and processing. Okay, so once it's finished, you'll see the thumbnail of the video. Go ahead and click on the video. Once it turns blue, go ahead and click on done. Okay, now you can see we have a video background. So we can go ahead and adjust the settings over here. So the playback speed, let's go ahead and maybe speed it up. Once you're done, go ahead and click on publish here on the top right. Okay, now it's published. And if you want to view it, just click on the link. Okay, I'm going to jump over to the page. And now you can see we have a video background in our Weebly website, and it's playing back automatically. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video background into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.